Alright guys, we're fishing for jumbo perch and walleye. Looks like his jaw jacker just went off. Oh, get off, yeah. He has got some nice jumbos over here already. Oh, I just had a big ass mark all over me, finally. Didn't need either. Yeah, it's definitely on there. Or a catfish. That shit got that shit dug into the ice. Holy crap, guys. That was pretty crazy. That fucking pole took the fuck off. Don't feel big. But I do have 20-pound braid on. Dude, that shit, maybe it's a catfish. That shit took the fuck off, dude.
I should got 20-pound braid?
Yeah. I changed it up from the 5-pound braid. Holy shit. That's crazy. He's like digging that shit into the ice. Damn, this must be a catfish or a fucking big ass smallmouth. Ain't no perch, I can tell you that much. Only it's later.
How long is the leader do that?
I think it's like 5 feet or 4 feet. Alright, I don't know what the fuck this is, but I'm thinking catfish. What the fuck is it? Big ass walleye? Oh, is it?
Big ass catfish, dude. That's a big ass catfish. He's not coming through this hole.
Are you serious? No, that's got that.
That's a carp.
Oh my god, that's
big
a big ass catfish. Holy fuck.
He's wrapped up.
Oh, there he is. Yep, unwrap yourself, dude. Holy shit. That is fucking dope. Dope. Oh, there he goes.
At least 15 pounds.
Dope. What the fuck? In the mouth too. Oh my god. I'm sending this one to frostbite right there. Oh my god, what the fuck?
I got my scale too.
Oh fuck yeah. Holy shit. That is a nice fucking cat right there. Holy shit, guys. It's longer than my 29-inch rod. Holy shit. Well, does it count if you put the whiskers way out here? Right. 32-inch catfish right there. Yep. Fucking A. Got your scale? I want to do a picture real quick. This is at least 15 pounds. Holy shit. Get that fucking jig in his mouth. Yeah. First trophy fish of the year. I'm gonna release him now. That's a fucking beast.
Let's see what you weigh in it.
Alright, you got him?
We're gonna do the math in kilograms.
Oh shoot. 6.4 kilograms, that's probably about 15 pounds. I'm gonna release this beast.
Oh, he's biting.
Fucking A. His fucking pectorals barely fucking fit. He's gonna take off nice and strong. Dude, what the fuck?
Hell yeah, man.
Well,
yeah, man.
I was like, oh, there's nothing on there.
Dude, when I look out the window.
He's engaged as fuck with you. Alright guys, Colorado Fisher has came out to join us, and he might get one right away. Alright guys, so I've got some sudden winds coming in, so we're getting packed up right now, but not a bad little afternoon on the ice. No more fish, we're taking off. I called, back at it in the morning. That's thin ice. That's thin right there. Alright guys, so we're out here in about 7 feet of water marking fish. We're going for some big fish on thin ice this morning.
Oh, sucker!
Oh, nice! Got a sucker. Oh, 3 bait.
Tyler, we got some Laker meat, bro.
Oh, fuck yeah. I might get hit too. I got one on me.
This should do really good with the Lakers because it's fresh, huh?
Yeah, fuck yeah. Alright guys, he just caught this
Laker bait.
fucking beautiful, nice little, what, $7 of Laker bait right there? Alright guys, check this shit out. You can see these cracks flex when you walk on them. That's how sketchy this ice is. Instantly.
Wow, impressively.
Yeah. Alright guys, just caught this perch.
Damn close, dude.
He's
Damn close.
It's pretty close. You might not make that 12, but still a nice perch.
So they like the death stick, huh?
Yeah, I guess so.
Oh, that's fucking centimeters. Oh yeah, you hit it, dude. You're like 12.
What does the 1 star do?
Nice.
Yep.
Hell, even if it
12
didn't,
inch
that's
master
huge.
angler perch.
No, yeah, it starts here. So this is for taking measurements on like jumping, for like
Yeah.
jumping for things. So they put their stick here and
I was
mark
gonna
it from
say
the
that's
spot.
a 1, then that's a 13. Yes, Chris.
So yeah, I'd
Okay,
say that's
then.
about 1 foot and a 1/4 inch.
One more
I'll
time.
take it. Yeah. You didn't even squeeze that tail, so it's probably longer.
Yeah, that's fucking nice.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, bro. Good shit. On the jaw jacker.
On the jacker. Fucking A. That's two.
On this same fucking frostbite.
Yep. That's
Thing's
two
killing
master
it,
anglers on that one lure.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I got him. I got him. Oh, I missed him. Oh, no, he's just tiny.
Oh, dude. Oh,
Woo!
Chris, is that a bass?
And it's a perch.
The way you set that hook,
Oh my God.
the guys, they're all jumbos in here, as you can see.
All of them.
They're all jumbo.
Oh my God.
That's a cute one, Chris. You gonna keep it and
I think I'm gonna put this on my wall, mount it.
look at the stomach on that thing. It is a little jumbo.
Yeah.
Nice work, brother. You're not
Sweet.
getting them out today.
He bounced. Oh no, there he is. Did your shit die?
How'd you know? You're like, I hear the fucking sound too often, bud.
Yeah, I hate that sound.
Come on. Oh, he's like chasing me too. Oh, every time I raise, he raises. Jumbo too, here we go.
He's coming up.
Oh my God.
It's a nice mark down there. What can it be? That's what I love about this lake. You don't know. Oh no.
Okay, well there's that. Oh, damn it, Chris.
Damn, is he
Dude,
still
I had
out
5
there?
hits. It was like lake trout fishing,
Yeah.
bud.
Oh, I got bit. Oh, I think I got him. Little guy again. Even smaller.
Is that what I've been seeing all day?
Maybe.
Oh, man.
Ow. That was fucking funny. Go ahead, dude. Go back down.
You know what the walleye are doing, right? If I can eat those like a fucking...
Yep.